There may be new hope for hundreds of unsolved homicides in Dayton.
The Attorney General is bringing new attention to cold cases, and as Shelby Costo shows us tonight, it is never too late to come forward with information.
The Ohio Attorney General's office announced today that more than 1,600 cold cases have been added to the Ohio Unsolved Homicides database. Today there are 1,800 cases in the database. 377 of those unsolved homicides happened in Dayton.
I think that's pretty sad.
ANITA Walker knows two people who were murdered in the Dayton area, and she is still hoping for an arrest in both cases.
Now, I'm sure all the other families want to see their loved ones' cases solved as well. You know, it's not just me.
You have to stay focused on what you're doing.
Dayton Homicide Supervisor Sergeant Rick BLOMMEL says every homicide is assigned to a lead detective. At some point during the investigation, if the case goes cold, it's assigned to a full-time cold case detective who also gets help from other investigators trying to dig up new clues.
And obviously, there's some that they take years before the information starts coming in.
The purpose of the database is to remind Ohioans that it is never too late to come forward with information.
I mean, anytime that you keep an investigation alive and keep it in the focus or have an avenue to get information to or from that case, and it obviously is a good thing. So the more the merrier.
ANITA hopes tips will come in and they will finally give some families some answers.
I think it will give them closure. If nothing else, it would give them closure.
In Dayton, I'm Shelby Costo for ABC 22 News.
And closure is very important. And of course, any tip, however big or small, for any Dayton cold case may be submitted by calling 333 COPS, and you can always remain anonymous. And tips can be left on the Ohio Attorney General's website. You can find a link on our website at abc22now.com.